Hi everyone, welcome to Johnson's Corner. Today's project is a garden harvest basket. This would make a great gift for the gardener in your life or just for yourself. Stick around and I'll show you how I made it. If you enjoy videos like this, please like and subscribe. I used 3/4 inch stock and 1/2 inch square wire mesh. The ends have a 5/16 groove routed in them using the template. I used a 1/8 inch bit with a 5/16 bushing in the router. The template is 1/4 inch stock and the radius on the corners is 2 1/4 inches. The side rails have a 1/8 inch groove 1/2 inch deep to accept the wire. The groove routed in the ends is 5/16 deep. I decided to drill the holes for the dowel handle all the way through. It takes some patience to assemble, but having all the sharp wire edges in the wood makes it worth it. To give the basket more strength, I attached 2 runners to the bottom. I really like being able to move the handle out of the way. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.